astronomers are giving us a warning. There's an alert of 3 big sunspots. There's a good chance of an Earth-directed solar flare today. 3 big sunspots are facing our planet, and all 3 have unstable magnetic fields that pose a threat for an M or an X-class explosion. Solar flare alerts are going on. So these 3 big sunspots are AR 3716, AR 3713, and AR 3712 from north to south. Now, what is an X-class flare? The flares happen when powerful magnetic fields in and around the sun reconnect. They are usually associated with active regions, often seen as sunspots where the magnetic fields are strongest. Flares are classified according to their strength, and the smallest ones are B-class, followed by C, M, and X. We've had a lot of X-class flares in the past weeks. Similar to the Richter scale for earthquakes, each letter represents a 10-fold increase in energy output. So an X is 10 times an M and 100 times a C. And with each letter class, there is a finer scale from 1 to 9. C-class flares are too weak to noticeably be affecting our Earth. M-class flares can cause brief radio blackouts, because after C comes M and then comes X. At the poles and minor radiation storms that might endanger astronauts. Although X is the last letter, there are flares more than 10 times the power of an X1, so X-class flares can go up as high as X9. The most powerful flare on record was in 2003, during the last solar maximum. It was so powerful that it overloaded the sensors measuring it, and they cut it out at X17. And the flare was later estimated to be about X45. Can you imagine how powerful it was? A powerful X-class flare like that could create long-lasting radiation storms, which can harm satellites and even give airline passengers flying near the poles small radiation doses. X-flares also have the potential to create global transmission problems and worldwide blackouts, according to NASA Scientific Visualization Studio. So that's what may be coming at us today. This is on Space Weather. Please leave your comments, and thank you for your support. Finally, support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.